5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, let's sing a song of 10.
This is the Karska emergency alert system.
This is an emergency action notification. This message is being transmitted by the Emergency Alert System. Authorities in Miami, Florida have issued an emergency alert for the following area. Miami-Dade County, Florida, at 9:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A classified cosmic entity identified as Kluna Tik was detected approaching Earth. Scientists report unusual gravitational disturbances and widespread signal interference. All residents are advised to remain indoors, avoid windows, and stay tuned to the station for official information. Do not panic. This is not a drill. This station will continue to provide updates as information becomes available. This concludes this emergency action notification.
Good evening, everyone. So today, there's 100 people there's Kluna Tik who ate 100 people in California from Los Angeles because the Los Angeles Police Department was showing a known user YouTuber named Kluna Tik. She eats everything. Wait, where's the...
Hear you? Visit nick.com/tennis.
This is an emergency alert system message. The National Weather Service has issued a civil danger warning for the states of Florida and Georgia at 4:30 Eastern Daylight Time on August 19th, 2014. An extremely dangerous and unusual hurricane has formed rapidly over the southeastern United States. This storm has been caused by a hostile atmospheric anomaly known as Kluna Tik. Kluna Tik is generating unstable weather conditions, including destructive winds, torrential rainfall, widespread flooding, and life-threatening storm surge. All residents in coastal and low-lying areas of Florida and Georgia are advised to take immediate protective action. If you are in an evacuation zone, evacuate now using designated routes. Remain indoors, away from windows, and monitor local media for further instructions. Do not attempt to travel unless ordered to do so by emergency officials. This is a rapidly developing and extremely dangerous situation. Further information will be provided as it becomes available. This concludes this emergency alert system message.
This is a National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning. A snow interrupts Earth and it's gonna be freezing for us. What you do?
No!
welcome back to the BBC. America is being returned as the United Nations. All 196 countries been returned. The Earth will still be cold at 5,000 degrees and Quebec is 3 degrees as warm. All the life has been returned as formed back as humans. Cities, more than ever,